Hello everyone, welcome to Lekker Treat and thanks for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we'll be making the special beef burger. All ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded every week. We'll begin by cutting our burger buns into two and setting them aside to use later. Next, we'll prepare our sauce, and for this we need some mayonnaise and ketchup. Mix everything well and set aside. For our vegetables, we'll be using some lettuce, tomatoes, and onion today. We'll cut our onion and tomatoes into rings and set aside. We'll be de-seeding our tomatoes to use. Next, we'll be mincing our beef. It's also fine to use store-bought minced beef for this recipe. We are done with the mincing, and to this we'll add egg yolk, black pepper powder, thyme, and salt. Give everything a good mix and we'll then proceed to shape it out. I'll be using my burger press for this process. Place some parchment paper into it, add some of our minced meat and give it a good press. Run a knife along the sides of the press and then take it out. The indentions allows the burger to cook faster. If you don't have a burger press, you can just shape some of the minced meat into a ball, flatten it out, and make indentions with your fingers. And you are good to go. Next, we'll be toasting our buns a bit to give it a crisp inner layer. We'll then pour some oil into our pan and then put in our burger. Cook until your preferred doneness. After flipping it, we'll place some cheese on top and the heat enables it to melt a bit. And then place our onion into the pan to fry a bit. It's okay to use fresh onions if that is what you prefer. Our beef is done and our onions as well. We'll then proceed to assemble our burger. Place some sauce on half of the bun. Next, we'll add some lettuce, some tomatoes, some onions. We'll add some more sauce, and then our beef And finally, we'll spread some of our sauce on top of the other half of the bun and then cover it up. There we have it, another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. I made 4 burgers out of the 500-gram beef and other ingredients. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!